Estimate the potential reduction in petroleum consumption in gallons of gasoline per year that could be achieved in the US by introducing electric vehicles under the following assumptions. The mileage rate for the average car is 25 miles per gallon of gasoline. The average car is driven 10,000 miles per year. The US has 150 million cars, and 10% of the US cars could be replaced with electric vehicles. Okay, so first let's just start off by thinking of how many cars we could actually replace. So if we take 10% of 150 million, we would just take our decimal and move it one to the left to get 15 million. So that's our total cars that we could replace. And then let's just go ahead and write this in scientific notation, which would be well, let me write it out fully first. So that'd be 15 times 10 to the sixth, because that's the basically equivalent of millions, which would be the same as 1.5 times 10 to the seventh cars. Okay, now let's look at the statistics for each car. So if each car drives 10,000 miles per year, and each car on average gets 25 miles per gallon of gasoline, we can go ahead and cancel out our miles, and then 10,000 divided by 25 is just 400 gallons per year. And basically all I did, I kind of just did that in my head, but really what I was thinking is 100 divided by 25 is 4, and then I just added 2 zeros on. Of course, feel free to use your calculator. I'm just giving you quick little mental math tips as we go. So this is 400 gallons per year, but this is really for each car. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 1.5 times 10 to the seventh cars, 1.5 times 10 to the seventh cars, and I'm going to multiply that by 400 gallons per year per car, but I'm going to convert this into scientific notation. So I'm going to do 4 times 10 to the second gallons per year per car. Now I'm going to go ahead and cancel out cars, and then I'm going to go ahead and multiply. 1.5 times 4 is just 6, and then I'm going to do 10 to the seventh times 10 squared, which is just 10 to the ninth. And then again, my units are going to be right here, which is gallons per year. And that would be the total amount that could be saved if the entire 150 million cars, I'm sorry, the 10% of the total 150 million cars were replaced with electric vehicles.